Hello everyone, this printer is Canon MG3650. I want to show you how to reset the network. This printer is currently connected to a wireless network. To reset the network, you need to press and hold the Wi-Fi button for 3 seconds. The power on light will start flashing, then release the button. Select copy color or copy black, then press the Wi-Fi button again. The Wi-Fi light will reset and start flashing alternatively. So press and hold the Wi-Fi button. 1, 2, 3. Power on light is highlighted. Release the button. Press the copy button. Then press the Wi-Fi button. Then release the Wi-Fi light now is flashing intermittently. What that means, the printer is no longer connected to a network. So you need to reconnect this printer to a network. So this is how to reset the network for the printer. Then you can go ahead and reconnect it to a network. Thank you very much indeed. I hope this helped you. Please like, share, and subscribe. It helped the channel. Thank you.